everyone, and welcome to the weekly business update. It's Convention Week! Can you feel the energy?
Yes, it's buzzing. There's so much happening. We've got brand new products launching, powerful business tips being shared, TERRATalks, marketplace swag, and of course, the very first ever free doTERRA experience open house. This is going to be a week to remember.
Yes, for sure. And hey, a quick reminder. You must have your convention ticket, whether you are in person or tuning in virtually, to get access to the convention kit. Trust us, you don't want to miss on these exclusive products.
Look.
Da, 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 da.
So if you're watching this and you haven't grabbed your ticket yet, what are you waiting for? Go get it today.
Now, let's talk about something brand new this year, the doTERRA Experience Open House.
Yes, and it's happening right here in Salt Lake City on September 20th from noon to 3 p.m. And it's open to everyone. This is your chance to bring along your Uber driver, your hotel neighbor, your yoga teacher, your gym coach, your friends, your family, anyone curious about what doTERRA is all about.
Seriously, no excuses, guys. If you speak to them, you can invite them to come and check it out.
That's right. And it's fun and it's free.
It's free.
It is free.
Oh.
And it's the perfect way to introduce them to the heart of doTERRA.
So buckle up because this week it's going to be unforgettable. Stay tuned, soak up all the knowledge, and let's make this convention one for the books.
We'll see you out there, whether it's at TERRATalk, general session, buying cute stuff at the marketplace, or in the product showcase, or even at the new open house on Saturday. Bring your friends and let's make it an amazing week.
Happy Convention Week, everyone!
What time is it? It's our time. What time is it?
That was fun.